it will seem like a different world than it is today, and that's the pace at which this change is occurring.
1 year later, our lives are forever changed, from wearing masks to students learning virtually and businesses shutting their doors, some for good. In the past 12 months, no group of people has been more affected by the pandemic than those who are on the front lines facing it every single day. NBC4's Matthew Herchik is joining us live this morning from Grant Medical Center. Matthew?
Well, Monica, my mother is a nurse, and many of us have friends or families that work in healthcare and have been battling this on the front lines for the past year and have been affected by it every single day. So I spoke with an ICU nurse here at Grant Medical Center who reflected on some of the best and some of the worst moments over the last year.
I put the phone on speaker, and their family member was at least able to hear them and communicate with them some and pray with them.
It's for that brief moment of peace.
Their family member was on a ventilator. I wasn't able to communicate.
That Chris Cline works tirelessly for her patients' loved ones in despair.
It's all about, helping people and serving the community.
Dozens of heartbreaking moments rush to mind as Cline reflects on the past year. An ICU nurse at Grant Medical Center, he lives through the pain of COVID-19's worst outcomes daily.
I'm trying to explain to them, what's going on, and families aren't allowed to be in the hospital.
How difficult is it to try to comfort a family when you know it's not going to have a good outcome?
Yeah, that's difficult because I think a lot of times, we knew we were doing everything, but the writing was kind of on the wall. It's difficult to communicate that. You just have to be, optimistic and supportive.
But the last 12 months have also brought moments of inspiration.
Seeing those people really get better and get out of the hospital and get back to seeing their families it's been awesome.
As progress continues with the vaccine, for Cline, the COVID-19 roller coaster appears to finally be in descent, leaving the memory of the many lives lost and the lasting impact on those on the front lines.
It's changed the world. It's changed healthcare. It's changed everything.
And Chris Cline says that one of the most challenging parts of this pandemic, particularly a year ago when we really didn't know much about this virus, is patients and families are asking questions that they just don't know the answer to. And he said, how do you comfort a family in a situation like that when you just don't have any answers to give them? Matt, Monica?
Yeah, that's why we celebrate the work that they do each and every day, because we talk about the physical toll of them. Many of them got COVID-19 themselves, right. But the mental toll this all takes on healthcare workers, Matthew, is tough.
Yeah, absolutely, Matt. He said, after the PPP shortages that we saw early on, he said it wasn't the physical health that they've been worried about so much as it is the mental health. He said it's something that they talk about every day, that he and his coworkers focus on, and something that Ohio Health has certainly gone out of their way to provide resources to help with during the pandemic as well.
We thank each and every one of them.
Yeah.
Still going through it right now. Matthew, appreciate it. Well, happy